In this video, I'll be talking about TPS, Temporary Protected Status. Hello, my name is Bijungwanda. I'm an immigration lawyer in the DC metropolitan area. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you are not new, welcome back, and please go ahead and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, because I've been posting videos every week. And I've been giving you advice, tips, and just general information on immigration. I've been dealing with immigration matters around the globe and across the country because I am an immigration lawyer and we are dealing with US immigration law. Thank you for watching, and please keep watching until the end of this video so you don't miss anything. Okay? TPS, 4 ways to change your TPS status to a green card. We know that TPS holders, some TPS status will be ending in 2021. Some status, for instance, El Salvador, TPS holders, their status will end, I guess, by September of 2021, unless they renew the status again. But that's why I decided to make this video, so I can show you ways that you can actually go ahead and change your TPS status to a green card. Okay, let's get right into it. TPS is a temporary protected status. It is given to eligible citizens of certain countries following a natural disaster or armed conflict. It is renewable between 6 months to 18 months. Basically, people who are holders of TPS status, they came from countries that have been ripe by civil wars or natural disaster like earthquake. For instance, Haiti. Most people coming from Haiti have TPS status. They are considered TPS holders because of natural disaster devastating their countries. That's why they are here in the US. And we know with the Trump administration, they have been pushing to actually end TPS altogether. And in some instances, they have succeeded because they have dates out there where TPS holder will see their status ending starting next year, for instance. Okay, so who is eligible to apply for a green card in the US? Some TPS holder may apply for the Lawful Permanent Residency status in the US if they're eligible to receive advance parole or permission to travel. First of all, they have to qualify you. If you are among those people who are eligible to receive advance parole, which means that you can go out of the United States, travel out of the United States and come back once you get your advance parole accepted or approved, in other words. So those people are eligible to change their status, their TPS status to a green card status, and I'm going to talk to you about those 4 ways you can do that. First of all, you have to know if you qualify for or eligible for advance parole. If you want to know whether you are qualified or not, eligible or not for advance parole, please call my office at 202-946-2922. We can access your case and determine based on your TPS status. We will know whether or not you can be qualified to receive advance parole so that you can apply for a green card here in the United States, okay? Then we have other people, other TPS holders who are not eligible to apply for a green card in the United States. They have to go through consular processing, meaning that they have to go to a consulate agency or office outside of the United States. That's why they call consular processing. So basically, you have to wait outside of the United States in order to for the immigration service here in the United States to process your case you have to be outside, meaning you are not eligible for advanced parole. And remember that this is a risk if you're outside the United States, because when you come at the border, they are going to actually inspect you, okay? And most people, I really don't really encourage people to apply for advanced parole, in my personal opinion, because sometimes they get stuck at the border based on the inspection. If you don't pass the inspection, you are not going to get in. So whether you have whether you're eligible for advanced parole or not, you have to really think it through, okay? Because you have to make sure that you're really going to get back in and pass the inspection at the border, okay? So we have I talked about it, we have two categories: those who can apply for the green card in the United States and those who cannot, meaning they have to go through consular processing outside of the United States. Let's go with those ways. 4 ways you can change your TPS status to a green card, provided that you're eligible for advanced parole in the United States, and you can have permission to go out of the United States, okay? Let's assume that you have been approved for advanced parole. What are those 4 ways you can actually change your TPS status? Remember, TPS status, some countries, TPS status holders will see their TPS status ending in 2021. You need to act fast, okay? 4 ways. We have marriage residency petition. Let's say that you are a TPS holder living in the United States, approved for advanced parole. You need your spouse to petition, and you got married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder. You need your spouse to petition. You have to file a marriage petition. That family form, which most of the time is I-130. So you have to file it, and it's going to go through its regular processing time, and then you will receive your green card. That's one way. Number 2, family residency petition. Let's say your parent, one of your parents, could be a U.S. citizen. They can petition for you as their relative, okay? And it's gonna go through its regular processing time, but once your application is already there, you have some basis to stay, because then you will receive your green card. Of course, it's gonna go through its regular processing time. 3rd way, employment residency petition. So basically, you get your residence. I get really tricked off with this one. I haven't been talking a lot about those H-1B visa, but I will be talking about it in the weeks to come, because a lot of people have been asking me about those H-1 visa. So I need to start H-1B visa. So I need to, those sponsor employment visa, I need to start talking about those so that you will know your qualifications, okay? So employment, meaning that if you get a job while you have while you're holding your TPS status, and your employer want to sponsor you, so they have to file that form I-140, so that you can get your green card process, okay? Again, it's going to take its regular processing time, but at least if the employer has accepted to sponsor you, you should go with that route. It's a available way to get your green card, okay? And then we have immigrant investor visa, the EB-5 visa. That if you have money, you want to invest in the U.S. into a U.S. business, there are a lot of requirements, and you have to really have a chunk of money to be able to get that. But some people really have money and they want to do that. You can follow that path as well. We're here to help. Contact our office 202-946-2922, and we can walk you through the process and basically apply for your green card so you can change your TPS status. Remember that TPS holder status will see the status ending in 2021, some of them, and some of them are going to end in 2022. So you need to act. If you have to act, you need to act fast. Okay, so again, my name is Bijungwanda. I am an immigration lawyer in the DC metropolitan area. Again, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and like our video, share and comment below so we can get this thing going. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.